Hi you guys, welcome back to North Wales. Hope you're all well. So today I've been tasked with sorting out the electric issue in the garage. It's not going too well at the moment. We keep having issues. So at the moment we run our washing machine, our dishwasher, and I also run an extension cable from here all the way out to the barn where I'm using power tools and everything like that. We also charge our hybrid electric car here as well. So there's a lot of power required out here, but there is only one plug socket. Now I'll show you what's been going on. So I've already done some work, as you can see, but what was happening before is we had a plug point here and kind of a really old plug here. So the really old one you can see here, I mean that is ancient, absolutely ancient. And what was happening is the power was coming up this wire here, coming into this, and then coming out and into this as well. So this was like an old plug socket. So it kind of had two or three in total. Now, what was happening is our extension cables that we use to power the washing machine and the tumble dryer, these things, kept breaking and not working. And what we also noticed was that they were getting stuck. Now, as you can see, there's some burn marks here. 1, 2. Can you see? So what was happening is it was burning it out. So a big problem was going on there. Now, I think UK regulations say that you are allowed one spur. And what a spur is where a piece of wire comes off of the main circuit, either from a wire or a plug socket. Now, I don't know how many spurs there are here. There's one single wire going to this, and then there was a wire going to this. But this itself may be a spur as well, off of a spur. So there may be a spur socket somewhere in the house. A wire is coming off that here, and then a wire could have been coming off to here as well, causing major burnout and problems. Now, the best I could do right now is this. For now, I've got some major electric works going to be happening hopefully within the next few weeks, but for now I'm going to do this and run it off here. But I'm only going to use this for the barn extension, and I'm going to use it as well for charging the electric car. Now, what I'm going to do is move the washing machine inside. I'm going to get rid of the dishwasher. There is a few problems there though. Now, underneath the sink, there is no additional drainage. So I need to put one in before I do this. At the moment, the dishwasher that's there is just pouring down the plug hole in the kitchen. So I need to put in another drainage U-bend, I think they call it, or something, or just drainage plumbing set or something, with a few extra drainage points. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'll move this inside. And yeah, I've finished here. Sorry I didn't film it, but I just wanted to crack on. But I will film me doing a bit of plumbing work and moving the washing machine. So yeah, I'll get on with that now. Okay, so I've checked the freshwater pipe, there's no leaking there, which is good. Now all I need to do is just check the wastewater, but it's not pushing any out at the moment, so I've just got to sit and wait really. So that's what I'll do. Hopefully there's no leaks and we're all good. Coolio, happy days. Okay, so I've just tried to put the washing machine on a dry cycle and it's not working, unfortunately. I'm getting this error code saying FD, which apparently according to the manual means that there's abnormal heating. I've given it a feel and it's not warm, so yeah, something's wrong. I've had a little look online and apparently it can either be the heating element itself or it can be a thermostat, the heating thermostat, or one of the thermostats. Apparently there's a few. So yeah, so what I've got a multimeter here, put a couple of batteries in it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test all the components just to see whether I'm getting any. I'll set it to the resistance setting and I'll see if I'm getting a reading. If not, then what I'll do is I'll try and replace that part and see whether it fixes it. So yeah, let's crack on with that now. So I need to firstly move this over to the resistance setting, which is there. That's making a sound because I've got them touching. I'll try and do all of this with just one hand because I'm holding my camera at the moment. Excuse me. Right, so first of all we will try this one here. Now we are getting a reading, so it looks as though this thermostat here is okay. Let me just try this one here. Okay, so we are getting no reading at all from this one here. That one we are. This one we are not. Let me try the heating element, which I think is this. I think. Oh, this is awkward. Sorry. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I have a feeling it's this one here. So what I'm going to do is take this out. Yeah, I'll remove it and give it a little test again, just to see. And if it's no good, I'll have a look online and see if I can find the part, and we'll start again. So yeah, that's what I'll do now. Okay, so I've had a little look online, and it looks like this is a thermostat. So I'm going to put this code in online and just see if there's a replacement part, and then I'll get it delivered ASAP. I'll stick it in and I'll see if that solves the issue. I'm just hoping that I haven't done more damage by removing it, because it is a bit fiddly, but yeah, we'll give it a go and see. Okay, so I went online and I bought a thermostat, and then I thought, let me just give it another little try. So I got my multimeter and I gave it another go. And for some reason, it seemed to be making a sound. So I don't know what was going wrong with it, but I have a feeling that that little brown bit there is some sort of switch. Maybe when it overheats or something, it shuts it off, and then you have to press this to reset it, because now I seem to be getting a read in there. So what I'm going to do, I've put it all back together and I'm going to run it through a dry cycle just to see what happens. Just 30 minutes.
beforehand I'd put it on, and after about 5 minutes I'd get the error message. So yeah, I'm just going to run it now and see what happens. Fingers crossed it's working, and hopefully I can cancel my order on the thermostat before it's too late. So yeah, let's give it a go now. There we go, dry cycle working absolutely perfectly. So yeah, not sure what happened there, but seems to be working now. Happy days.
Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I can crack on now and continue with the barn room. I've done sort of half of the walls at the moment. A new video will be coming out very shortly showing where I'm up to, but now the electrics is all working again, I can go out there and finish off the job and use my power tools. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye bye.